into sick. You make me sleep like a young childhood woman. You held me tight and I pushed you away. You turned my sorrow into silk. You turned my sorrow.
So I am literally editing this in 2021. So happy new year. It is almost, it's literally like a month into like 2021 and I'm finally getting this up now. But yeah, like I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I kind of really struggled to kind of get to edit. Like I made a rough cut way earlier in December, but I just wasn't sure if I wanted to upload it, and I didn't know if I even liked this video, but I've edited it and I decided that I like it enough to upload it. So here is the vlog of the first video of 2021 and the first video, the first vlog of 2021. Obviously there is a lot more to come, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. I just came back home from a grocery shopping trip. I reloaded, restocked all of my groceries for 2 months, basically. So let me go organize that and take you also. This is everything. Oh. 1 second. Sofa. Why did you have to sleep on the sofa? Change of plans and now we are somewhere. I know, we were supposed to go to IKEA, but we're here now. We're in Decathlon. Hey, I'm getting these gloves for my boxing classes, so that's that. We're not going to that store because it's a rip-off of IKEA and we didn't get to go to IKEA. Why are you upset? Because we didn't get to go to IKEA. Why? I was wanting the food. We literally just spent unnecessary amounts of money in that store. Yeah, now we're on our way to Forum because there's nothing else to do because IKEA is a no-go.
should I do this? This one gone.
Why is this? And even this so ugly. Hello, everybody. So I just got home, and now Mantika and Bhavya, my best friends, are coming home for some time. And it's literally the first time I've seen Bhavya in the last 9 months after my birthday, because she's been at home for the last 9 months. So, yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. And then I have to go to the gym. And then I come home to make dinner. So yeah, it's gonna be a very fun but busy night. Is hi. 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 We're on our way to work out, and Mantika's here, but she refuses to be in the vlog because she says she looks bad. So, but yeah, today is a boxing class. Okay, now she's here because she's opened her hair. So yeah.
This to me?
Yes, apparently I look like a Bollywood wife.
I look like the husband.
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
क्योंकि 2 बार कर चुके हैं हम.
Oh. Mantika is finally gone home, and I am finally gonna relax. I have to take my makeup off, but I will do it soon. Meanwhile, some dessert. Okay, so now it doesn't move anymore. I've been putting off cleaning this mess for a while, and I just have a bunch of shit that I need to like clean up, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Finally finished cleaning. I am going to finally do my skincare and then just chill. Good morning. It's like 10:52, and I started working out at 10. My trainer was here. Yes. My hands are a little unstable, so we did core today. I'm really tired, like super tired. Not because of the workout, I'm just so sleepy. But I'm not gonna sleep now because I can't. So good.
인사 좀 해봐. 인사해. 나 지금 우리 친구 소개해줘. 자기소개. 자기소개.
I am Semi's friend from Korea.
귀여워.
Nice to meet you.
이름이 뭐야? 이름.
나?
어.
나는 경란리.
그래. 안녕.
Bye.
Here I am looking like an absolute idiot. Yes, the bleach is in my hair. I've messed up a little bit in the back. If I can show you what it looks like. It's a little above where I wanted it to be. It's a little spotty. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but yes. But I do have a plan to sort of dye the brown parts of my hair. I want to dye the brown to like another color, like a brown, but like a different brown. So yeah, hopefully we can fix it then. But until then, I'm just I'm gonna make sure my hair isn't up like that. So basically, this is what my hair looks like now. I went to the salon to get color deposited on top because I only had green hair dye and I did not want my hair to be green anymore. So yep, I really like it. It's turned a really gray brown and I actually really enjoy it. It's kind of similar to the mushroom brown sort of hair color trend that's going on, but a little darker than that, but I really like it. And I got my bangs sort of cut even more so that they frame even more of my face. So that's that. Hair update. This is what my hair looks like in the sunlight. It is, as I mentioned, a very like mushroom blonde sort of a color. This is what it looks like. Close up, side profile. And I also kind of added a overtone on my regular hair to tone the brassiness. My hair was getting really orange, so I wanted to remove the orange. So yeah. So I don't know if you can see, but I finished about half. I am finally done making this, and it's nothing great, like it's just really simple, but I like it and I put kind of a decent amount of effort into it. And I just wanted to give my friend something simple, but something she can take with her and kind of use. So I hope she likes it. I am about to film a little bit of a reel because I was bored and I wanted to do something. And since I already kind of have makeup on, I'm just going to cover up on certain spots, do my dark circles, and do the butterfly eyeliner because I'm kind of obsessed with it. I just finished filming the reel. This is the makeup look. I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I can't wait to actually put everything together and upload it. I just finished working out. I'm gonna have my lemon water now, because, yeah.
Artistic, a deconstructed candle.
Oops.
Very avant-garde. Could sell this for like. Right? That's one of the things I love about food. When you miss someone so much, it can bring back a memory for you, or like make you feel a little bit closer to them.
So I'm currently at the dermat getting microderma and cleanup because my face needs it. And I can't really move a lot because there's something on my face. But yeah, excited to see my skin after.
Bye.
Not yet.
Obviously, there is no outro to this video either because, you know, I'm an idiot. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!